I'm soaked. So, chucking it down as you can see. It's been raining all day long. It's been raining all day long, and I've been sat at my computer most of the day. Pretty good. I've walked it from my house across the field. It's taken me 20 minutes, just over 20, about 22 minutes. So it's not bad, is it? Anyway, should we just get to detecting, because this video is going to be like half an hour long, and I won't even done out. Yeah, let's stop talking, just get going. Right, next we have, well, I don't know what we have. This were, I ummed and ahed whether to even dig this one after that last signal, and to be fair, it wasn't sounding very good. I think it's still in that side wall. I think it's going to be a big tin can or something. Yeah, sounding. It sounded big tin canish. Switch that on, eh? Where the heck is it? Yeah. Big ironish. Not even tinish, ironish. Woohoo! Crack on. Okay, my prediction for this one is a tin can. I think it's going to be the round end of a tin can. Well, I wasn't quite right, but nice piece of tin. Crack on. So I dug that massive pit of despair, and it's just somewhere there, look, on the side wall. It's going to be trash as well, I imagine. Let's have a look. So I've chased it into here somewhere. Right. Hey, is that it? Yeah. Well, that was worth all that hassle, wasn't it? What is it? Look at that little plate of some script. Is it a bit of horse brass, or is it something? Some sort of mount. Fairly modern, I guess. Dunno. Nice colour though, I love that green. Right, let's crack on. Right, so this was another deep signal, and I believe we got some sort of something in this clod. So shall we have a look? It's looking either modern, coppery or rusty. Shotgun, I'm gonna say. Yeah, definitely a shotty. Bugger. And what junk have we dug up next? Somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. Gonna be a shotgun end, or something even worse. Oh, there it is. Ooh. God. Getting more mud on it. and I can wipe off. Give it a good bit of a squirt, see if we can run some of this mud away. Let's see if it's an eyelet thing. Can't tell if that goes all the way through. I need a pokey thing. You got a pokey thing? No, maybe. Yeah. Nothing's pokey enough. There we go, goes all the way through. Yeah, I think it's just modern. It's just modern tap. Spent all this time trying to clean it up for you. It's just an iron thing. Maybe. Anyway, we will have a look at it later. Yeah, it's nothing cool. Crack on. That was just nuts. I wish I could have filmed it. I had a really good time, but the rain, you've never known anything like it. I couldn't. It was incredible. The rain, I was just drenched, completely drenched. I couldn't see a thing. My glasses were covered in water. My eyes were full of water. I couldn't see what I was digging up, and things just kept coming. I just kept getting signal after signal, and then I was trying to film, but then the battery died on my camera, and it was just far too wet to even attempt to change the battery because, well, yeah, my camera wouldn't have survived. And so that's, yeah, unfortunate, but this is what I did get. There's some interesting bits came off. So first off is this, well, this in the order they came out in, I can't actually remember. And as I was digging this stuff up, I couldn't see what I was digging as well, so I was just putting stuff in my bag full of mud. But these both look like a couple of horse brasses. I love that, that's lovely. Look at the colour of it. Do these, I mean, I don't know what period these date back to, so if anyone can tell me a bit more, but did these ever have, they must have had some sort of decoration on them at some point. Have they just worn out? I don't know. I think you saw me dig that, just a little piece of whatever it is. Don't know where it used to be. And then there's that coin there, which was bent double. It had to be done. I had to try and bend it back. Anyway, no clue as to what that was, what that is. I thought there might be some detail on it, but there isn't, at least not enough for us to ID it. Yeah, a couple of nice chunky bits of lead, a bit of a buckle. Nice, not too old I don't think, but part of a buckle. This, I thought this was a piece of lead, but I'm not sure now. Don't know what that was. Then this looked interesting when it came up in the mud, but I'm thinking now, just from the colour of it, I thought that's really old, but I think it might just be a door. Not a door, coat hanger, coat hook. It's obviously snapped off there somewhat, whatever, but if anyone knows any different as to what that is, let me know, but that's what I think that probably is. Tiny little pistol ball, that's cool. Another pigeon ring. I'm going to look these up, see if I can get any details out of it, but I wonder if that 09 means 2009, don't know. Anywho, then there's that sort of rivety thing that I dug up, that eyelet type thing, fairly modern. A button. Oh look, stuff on there, I didn't read that. Treble gilt something. Don't know. I'll have a look at that a bit later on. That's cool. Nothing on the front. And that is it. Almost. So is one more thing from today's hunt which we haven't looked at yet. And this is insane. I'm sure nobody in the right mind has ever tried this just for a YouTube video. But I brought the clump home. Yeah, let's have a look. So, honestly, we're chucking it down. And because I couldn't get my camera fixed up, I dug this out and I thought, coin or button in the clod situation. I thought, I'm going to put that in my bag. Just so that we can reveal it together. So let's try and do that now. Let me see if I can get this camera mounted somewhere. What's in the clump? What's in the clump? Is it gonna be a coin? It's gonna be hard. I can't believe this survived the journey home. It was like a 20-minute walk home. Had to climb over 2 gates. Oh, it's neither. It's just a ring of... Oh, I was so excited to reveal a coin for you. And it's not. But what is it? Right, there it is. Cleaned up in all its glory. What on earth is that? Dunno. Tarpaulin ring. Meh. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and that's enough.